How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Voicemeeter audio crackling issues. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually make sure that you have selected the right microphone, and same thing with the speaker. And then you want to try to follow the settings that I have right here. Now head over to the sound setting on your Windows, click more sound setting, and then just make sure that the Voicemeeter is enabled. So for playback, it's going to be Voicemeeter input, and for recording, it's going to be the Voicemeeter out B1. From there, you also want to try updating your drivers. So it's going to be Realtek audio drivers. Click on the PC audio codec. So in that way, if we're having troubles with our actual audio drivers, we'll be able to fix it. So just go ahead and update it this way. And from there, you should be good to go. Another thing that you could do is to reinstall Voicemeeter, because from time to time, it might get corrupted during installation, and that might cause the issue to appear. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.